Check out this elevator. Oh my gosh. We're going in. We're going into this very interesting looking elevator. All right, girls.
I can go in, it's glass.
We're in here. Look. Everybody.
You have to shut the door first before you can.
Duncan push E.
Don't push.
All right. What do you think?
Well,
I like the elevator. The
It's a
elevator.
nice area. I wish they weren't doing construction right there, but maybe it's be done at the end of the day.
Is this us?
Was this
Yeah.
the one we read about?
Oh, we read the reviews. There were good reviews.
All right, so we're getting off the elevator. Here we go. She's making me get off because she's the boss of me. All the way off. Oh, look at the stairs. We could have done the stairs. But this is it. Here we are. We made it.